Lorie was arrested and faced two separate cases, federal embezzlement charges and state murder charges. The embezzlement case was straightforward. The evidence was overwhelming: fake invoices, shell companies, forged documents. Lorie pleaded guilty to wire fraud and theft of government funds. She was sentenced to 60 months in federal prison, plus restitution and fines. But the murder case was different. Prosecutors had the toxicology report showing lethal poisoning. They had the financial motive. They had the suspicious timeline and behavior. But much of it was circumstantial. The Google searches, the emoji text, the forged will, the prior symptoms Larry reported. It all pointed to Lorie, but there was no smoking gun. No one saw her administer the poison. No confession. How did the Benadryl get into Larry's system? Was it in his coffee? His water? A pill disguised as something else? Prosecutors couldn't say for certain. But they believed they had enough for a conviction. Lorie was charged with first-degree murder, premeditated and aggravated by poison use. Then something unexpected happened. Lorie accepted an Alford plea to second-degree murder. An Alford plea allows someone to plead guilty without admitting guilt. Essentially, Lorie acknowledged the prosecution had enough evidence to convict her, but maintained her innocence. For Larry's family, this was devastating. No trial. No testimony. No detailed evidence in court. No admission of what really happened. The judge sentenced Lorie to life in prison with parole eligibility after 30 years. Combined with her federal sentence, she won't be eligible for release until she's 97. At sentencing, Lorie offered an explanation. She claimed she was trying to poison herself, not Larry. That she was suicidal, and Larry accidentally drank the poison beverage meant for her. The judge rejected this explanation. If it was an accident, why the 2-hour delay calling for help? Why research drowning methods? Why forge his will? The judge noted the overwhelming evidence of premeditation and financial motive. Lorie Eisenberg is currently serving her sentence at Pocatello Women's Correctional Center in Idaho. But for Larry's family, the verdict brought no closure. Only questions and pain.